Hello and good morning back to the Drummond channel on Thursday, June 8th. And we've been tracking crude oil and the silver market, and also introduced the Nasdaq the other day, and going to update those charts. And if you've been with Drummond for a while, you've heard Charlie and Ted often say, what are the charts? What do I want the charts to tell me? I want them to tell me something. And when we talk about crude oil and we talk about silver, in my opinion, they're not saying a whole lot right now. So I'll explain that, and then we'll move on to the Nasdaq chart. So first up, this is crude oil on a daily chart. You can see the overlays for weekly, monthly peel dot up here, weekly peel dot. And this market's been in congestion for quite some time. And I'm going to stand aside here because I'm not having the chart talk to me about which way congestion exit is coming. Congestion could exit down, it could exit up, and I think there's some lower hanging fruit in the Nasdaq market right now. If you're a gold member, if you're a platinum member, go back into the lessons and you're going to review when we go through congestions. There's a ton of examples and information in there that will explain this in greater detail, a little bit beyond the scope of these short videos. Now, looking at silver, this again is a daily chart and pretty much in congestion, seeing kind of the same setup here with higher time period resistance, higher time period support, and PL dot for the weekly. And again, this market is oscillating around higher time period support and resistance. And Ted and Charlie often say that the market vibrates around higher time period support and resistance. So that's what it's doing right now, and we're going to step aside from this one and move into the Nasdaq. Now for the Nasdaq, we love to see something playing out that we had forecasted, and that's what we got. That line there represents that area of 2 to 3 PL dots on both the weekly and on the monthly charts. And then on top of that, we drew in a daily 5-1 down, daily 5-2 down. We talked about how this is a very reliable set of indicators. When the 5-1 and the 5-2 cross in that area, whether showing support or showing resistance, we tend to see a market reaction. And we moved inside the envelope yesterday, the day before yesterday. And then yesterday, that's when the magic happened, and we saw this market push down into a big C wave down on the daily chart, and we're bouncing around the overnight market. So resistance for the day is going to be here in this oncoming, or what we call the nearby resistance area. And you have the PL dot way up here. You have the daily PL dot, live PL dot here. So in terms of a daily PL dot refresh, that is the area. And then there, of course, is the resistance from the daily envelope bottom. So there we are, and I think this is setting us up, like we talked about before, for a PL dot refresh on a weekly chart. So we're in the early stages of that. We'll see how it goes. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please continue to like and share these videos, and we will see you again next time.